You don't know these streets like we do.
We show. Then you play was street. Nana we show.
Anoma ni na wumo. Na joke. Tutuo. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Street is Watching. The senior man kasa.
Shiri wankasha
Action kwa.
Wallahi. Ukura Sony ni Ericsson. Eji Sony no for Ericsson ni Kofi.
Kwa kudia dance.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Street is Watching. This is our editorial. My name is DJ Slim. I'm here with the man Striker.
You already know DJ Slim. How you feeling this morning? Your show will be how.
Tutwa! And I don't know. No. Who I know. 1st of December. It's happening live.
Ahojo 124.
Bra comment session.
You already know.
Yes, bra comment session on our feed.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, my location in bra.
Yes,
Papa out here.
Yes, 12 p.m.
Super Soup Sunday.
Super Soup Sunday.
Tia sharp.
Fully loaded and guamo.
Yes.
And then we'll look at the shit say mutu oni banku ni na ekoso ofiase.
Real quick, respectively. Si bra be di fufu and then inquire free Kumasi. Kumasi nkwan de. Beshi. Na fi bibi anya de guitar ma. Of course, Jupe e kan ho. Said this can free abrochi e bra. Said e be ya ezu betime nya kakra de ato e ho na bronya na e be yi. Adofo asuso adofo sa.
Na they say they will say tutuo.
I will throw one.
SM for number.
Omala.
SM for number.
Any a baby.
Tutuo. Me bullet.
Yes, every. What to say? I said, I Joseph said, you should pay for promo code DJ Slim.
Boom.
Now, $10 discount on all your transactions. Now, Aqua Blue Mineral Water. Isuko Kwana www.mybets.africa. Black Friday, Yama bonus into your shop, registers. Simple.
Yes.
And then you met trendy.
No, be trendy. But before you met us, you two tobacco. Mommy, we know. I know you have no man. I said, we didn't lazy, too lazy, you know.
We're out of this world.
Okay. So, fast forward, you may beef you also, but then you're real beef. Yes, you can't eat a mouth
and then you know,
beef you also.
A doom PZ
versus
I want a doom a Malcolm. Any PZ for.
Yes.
And a more a beef no air coso. Mobility na katre. Papa Yesu
atamfanya o bebre na go yi wa pa o che rambo
wallahi tala commando akọ jineba mani abritu
ka bullet e bi she pa bo mu ni na
eti na nwumra me shrebo about 6:30 a adum PZ ene ayi koso
adum for the PZ for yeah woni we bi dia on kan
shooting game e koso
enye real gun disclaimer toy gun. You shani na ye di agro say nye ne ba baby bia hwe na obi anko fa narrative bia mba say e bra ko fa problem bia mba ye di agro from P2 na ye di agro be sin
I was shocked when I saw it on social media and the type of comment if you home. You know, if this thing had popped up in any other part of the country, I'm sure the conversation would have been different. It would have been say adie bia ba na they are trying to spending marketing you craft for home. They've because as it stands now, we are sure to Kumasi. I sure to Kumasi.
Was Unibia.
And a brilliant baby. Fully loaded it all by also strap on. And you check the commercial value of a social media trend like boys having fun. And using these toy guns to play, and you share social media and I'm on phone idea. Na police ni na gom di gunu so kra na enjoy.
Yeah.
You understand?
It's all fun and games.
It's all fun and games. And I just think that social media people, there are people who are on social media who just don't see things.
They don't just know how to have fun.
They don't know how to have fun. You know, wow. Oh, because we're just having fun.
Exactly. We're
just having fun. And this I go we actually. I mean, 30 plus years of my life. Bro, me say I mean me swana we wo.
And I make no.
I didn't
That's a phone number.
That's a phone number. Me woo.
We didn't do womb.
What hey, me dey na for you.
Reload. The killers are coming. The killers are
killers anyway. Omo.
What they come for no me handsome for now.
They go.
Mami said, please, I'm handsome for life.
I feel that we state. Who state you? What state you? Yabafiu. Who state you? Maloko. Yabafiu. Problem bra. Maloko me na too.
It's a funny problem bra.
Yo, I'm telling you the truth, man. 30 plus of my years being on this planet. Me ye dia grossa. And yeah, there no. Started with police and thief. Wow,
and the pampana no other
what you say? Sometimes now we on sasi. Wow, now we on sasi.
Would me pay dia kra no we try to
start be. So enya ne e ba
be I say knockout. Ya to
when there was a ban on firecrackers, knockout. There was a ban on it like nationwide.
Yeah, I think there's still a ban on
it. I don't know how true it is as it stands now. When there was a ban on it, I'm more banning importation of firecrackers. And still people smuggle them in.
Yeah.
Now
people. I like the fact that your hand is still on the trigger though. Yeah. Stay ready.
May stay ready. I'm always strapped.
I'm going to come. When you're dangerous, because we know. Because I said, we watching.
I'm way. Hey. Which one to?
We don't have me three committee. Because we still won't turn from.
Now,
but see them,
yeah.
I don't know trendy. Because offer baby chill.
Trending on my dream. I mean, and I think it's just a bunch of negative comments that people are passing on on this thing. Because it's just the Kumasi ni fever.
Kumasi, you to be for baby. Na you almost fail.
Oh no. How to join it.
Yeah. They don't know how to join it.
They don't know how to join it.
So, hate love situation.
If my only worry is that some of these things, if this thing is coming from any other part of the country, people will welcome it. Because it's a fun thing. Because say when you're shooting games or you're paintball.
Come to think of it.
Have you heard?
And cry machine guns, I can see.
Have you heard people talk about paintball?
Nope. It's good to them. I know to know. That's a phone number.
Have you heard people talk about?
None of that.
No.
Not even once.
They don't talk about it. You might want to look at it from the angle, say, boys in the but this is not harmful.
At all.
This is not harmful.
At all.
Harmful
that I know.
Bro.
You should now have seen the same type of guns.
This same type of gun. Na me so na me ekete to be man. So that is like 30 years.
Yes. Oh, come on now.
It's just because it's been amplified this time around because of social media and content on social media. Inti amount for bullet. Amount for Afan World Cup, and they are just spreading, have big stories and just because of how I be a camera never pointed to a situation back be na eno no wafa e dey run here. But what about the rest of the situation? People just have fun because see the unity that it brings.
Yeah.
Edum Malcolm for
like everybody was happy in the video.
Bro,
yes,
bro.
Like come on, Chrome Hana edge too much. So if there's something little, you see, it doesn't take a lot to make us happy. I think when I am person for no mission because you can see something.
As basic as a toy gun.
Yeah, no pay cry to be say OBS. Everybody's happy.
But a starter pack for
doesn't take a lot to make us happy.
Bro, a starter pack. Let me tell you, a starter pack. Se bronya no, ebe yoda, e usu unya bronya mpaboa. Unya obronya atade.
Bronya space.
Ne na shemi.
Yeah.
Na afi wenya obronya tuo. We bema wenya bronya tuo. Ana we oba wenya broni ba.
No crack.
Simple. Na fi bronya no de wanya na fi achi akoko. Ene fanta.
Ene obalu bi dia
ene balu bi ne dia ma na fi bibia exactly. But it doesn't really take a lot. And so if people are bringing the celebration by a vibe like this. Lie be. So it doesn't really take a lot for people in our town Say many beji. I think what we can do as a stance now is just issue a lot of caution around it. So yes, as much as you want to play with it, let's also let people know that for certain age groups, this is not a real gun, it's a toy gun, and we're just having fun.
Fun with it.
Yeah, you understand. I mean the pop culture Kumasi no. Unim say Kumasi are heavily influenced by hip hop.
Of course. And,
yes, exactly. And you check the number of people that travel out of the country. A wide number of them, a chunk, BA and Ashantis.
Yeah, now who tell me online and no baby
BA and Ashantis. Inti if you be a yakwe say unam ashtawa. If you be a yakwe say boga wum. And no na boga. You're right. So that influence na therefore baby to say friends it didn't be to say Kumerica. The merger of Kumasi and America of all the countries in the world. I didn't know Kumerica. I didn't know America.
Now we shall most want the Gina picture and call viral. You know the time they buy who akateni who.
There be akateni who. No. Stay fresh all day.
What you mean?
What you say? So pop culture and county. I saw a comment like I didn't know be say too.
I think say is it safe if I mention his name?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Kevin Taylor posted the truth. So say a few days elections now. This agree by Basona. Pinifone Shana and Coco Fabia and
election. Election.
I swear to God.
Yeah, we just want to have fun. We don't really care because at the end of the day, whether MPP, NDC, CPP,
we all know the story.
We all know the story. Nobody is coming to nobody is in because of us. None of them. We already know.
You know what time it is. No, who's a political party?
Massa.
Nobody cares. We don't
really care.
They're not about to do that.
And they forgot to say the age group of people that are on the streets right now. Engaging. Boys, life on every poor move, abrabone ball move. Constantly, they wake up every day confused as shit. Many be confused. Into say, I grow be but no, then or release it tension. One problem I must say creative found. But sad. I in this editorial, I mean, personally, me hear a lot of vulgar words.
Yeah.
Can you be my man, but
and then what about
what you say? It's your name, Mrs. Share at home.
But Tiano, my boy, no idea.
Mrs. Shato, because weekend age, the
Kumasi.
And you know,
yes,
a Jaffo, a Janet Tech for, Yen Shao Tech Poo.
Yes.
Nafi,
yes.
Saturday.
And I hold Johnny T. For the participants and the show. Satation about tournament and Najis Angels on. Yeah. Tita.
Nafi, you
Tita.
Only
way be a maho. And
only be a man. Only be a one in penny for Mukram.
Come on now. It doesn't take a lot to make
no, but
what's an animal for jumping in the senior man? Like, yeah, they are go crying out. Like, come on. There's no man can be crying to me, man. A DJ back with
more than saying, you see over there, over 50 friends say weapons were Temaport.
Sir,
fully loaded guns near munitions.
Yeah, fully loaded and one more.
Yeah, fully loaded and one fully loaded. In pain for the two cracker, Bamu and
so Musru, look, Musru.
Yeah, toy gun.
Concept.
Oh, bro.
We all know the guys are more the real crime, no. Or I grown a who now almost doing common mundi. Yeah, I cry to and
I'm saying most of the time it's hard way on. I decided not to, in fact, spin it that way. But Opa, Masa, same type of fun way in free any other part of the country.
Yes,
they will not have an issue.
Normal.
Oh, no, these people are promoting it. You see the commercial value they've added to it. See, right now, if you import this, it becomes what brofo akese o mbeke kan fa.
Brofo akese no ka kire.
Brofo akese
no ka kire.
Ade
long.
Oh, kumase fo ngwa ko di agura.
Ba sinama fo na unsa say ahemfo nu na say bi hihyo mo.
Obi strap, stay strap.
Say obi ka say area no, omo di mama ba ko.
Yeah, they don't do.
You give it to a day to bullet the womb. Sure.
Sure.
The street is watching.
Me man announcement tribune. Edum Malcolm.
PZ. About 6
number 6:30.
6:30. But before we be on pon.
I'm for Mungu. Na say 6:30 the Edum yapon. For 5.
For 5 we do be a pack. Yeah, uni man. By that time we be a coffee.
Be a to store. Be a coffee. Yeah, no until 6:30 the name.
And I like the fact that the video now policeman cries. He knows. He knows that this is his city. BNC.
So for your viewers, I just want to tell you, if you've seen it on social media and you get worried about say Kumasi boys, I'm telling you, we Mimi the idea great, and I remember Bradford, remember senior man. Remember Bradford. Also the diagram.
Come on. She nothing will happen. It's just all games, all fun, nothing more, nothing less.
Exactly. I know. Yeah, the police and thieves. That time when you try a year, friends, oh body.
Yes.
Yes. Try body and call the shisha.
Oh, and I'm gonna say normal. The mango, the across to me, no one shape. You be that L shape. You know what? Say
that.
Police and thief, pampanan, and Sago only free.
And
it to me, both to people still say, what dodgy two, no, about to be done. Oh, my dodgy and coming.
Or two, or no two. What's it?
I dare come. My dodgy. We can see what dodgy. Uti, Passy, what a call. And I saw for foreign and cause I got so much. I'm on to spiritual now. To pay.
Wow. If you see this on any of the social media platforms, I mean, it's just education. Let them know that it has been a part of the Kumasi subculture for years.
Yes.
For years. I can say well over 40 to 50 years.
Yes.
This thing has been around. But the most important thing is who is company being a producer Saudi way? Because it comes back every December. Company being a producer. Made in China. So imagine if this one was produced in Ghana. Company and Kobe produce with pancakes. See a viral social media trend that has caused traffic for our product way. As they say, and so to
Dabi. Yes, I shot to Kumasi.
Say boy, it's not for me. Say me, one crying. And they one crying in I didn't know. What am I to a hasi? Don't what to one crying.
They do Ponkoran about Michelle.
Hey, I would tell.
I'm about.
Why not? And
so, but the fun thing is we get it. We are not dumb. We get to say 2 years, but you to me differentiating. I grow. It's just toy gun, colors and everything. It's not harmful. And you'll be out to but the answer you to be saying nothing will happen.
It's all fun and games. And for people who are very sensitive, there are people who will be watching us and we are very sensitive. I just want to tell them that this thing, to the best of my knowledge, and all the years I've been around, I celebrating Christmas year in, year out. I dear grow because na a starter pack no.
I can't
start.
Who need to any because
when ninja and different types. What the
back when the Toma crashing, Toma round ball
yeah. Back so the Ibish Ramsey no to na kobo
good.
There were different types, and then we used to fantasize about being in the security force because we grew up watching a lot of Rambo Commando,
Schwarzenegger,
that is
Chuck Norris.
That is what we grew up watching. Influencer. All we need to do is just, as it is, to say the all kind. Let's sound a word of caution to people that you look. We are in no way and shape condoning say people should carry firearms. No. But if this is for fun and it has been properly allowed into the country because intimate harmony. Just know what time it is and let's have fun. It's in the spirit of Christmas.
Yes,
few days to Christmas when we enjoy any. See you.
Guys,
comment section.
Because
the street is always
watching.
You don't know these streets like we do.
We show. Then you play was street. Nana we show.